I can't believe you turned on immediately, and I didn't even use you. Well, I had a run last time, and somewhere down the road I broke the rudder. I got it all repaired with wire and glue. And Gorilla Glue is supposed to what? Do it like 24 hours. So I am going to go out here anyway. It's that 24 hours now. And we're going to get a run. Everything's all closed up. Almost. There we go. All locked up and get that run. Show you what that rudder looks like. Could putting pressure on it over here break it? Not at all. But there it is. There's the glue. Everything. It spins freely. Doing a good job. Give it a little rudder. No more issues. XT60s, not XTC. So let's go get a run. Go have some fun. Here we go. Looks good. Doing its job. Now let's go have that fun. Oh, I just want to make sure my camera angle is right. Let's come on over here and adjust you more towards the shore. Oh, that's going a lot faster than before. Oh man, it's kicking up a good 4+ foot rooster tail. Woo, baby. Seagulls are chasing it. Oh man, did you see that thing go under? It just sunk out of nowhere. This thing likes to dive. Does it have a dive feature? No. Oh man, did you see that thing go under? It just sunk out of nowhere. This thing likes to dive. Does it have a dive feature? No. It's amazing what $8 can get you. Loads of fun. Saved $8. And that's what that rudder will cost to change out from DRC. You won't be able to find those parts online. You got to go directly to the company, give them all the information required in order to get that rudder shipped for $8. I hope you enjoy this hobby with the DRC 2104. I had my fun today. I'm going to pack it in and call it my fun is over day.